Today, I'm incredibly excited to introduce Relic 1.0, a modern, fully typed and production-ready web server for Dart. If you've ever built with Shelf, or even just considered Dart on the backend, this is something you'll want to see. Relic brings speed, type safety and simplicity to the server side of Dart, and it's available now. Dart Shelf is great. It's been a solid foundation for the Dart ecosystem for years, but let's be honest, it's starting to show its age. As Dart has evolved, especially with type safety, better async handling, and the growing interest in full-stack development, at Serverpod, we've felt the need for a better web server as a foundation for the Serverpod framework. Relic keeps everything that's great about Shelf, composable handlers, middleware, and simplicity, but it upgrades everything else, from routing to type safety to performance. Relic is built for today's Dart and ready for tomorrow's workloads. So, what's new? Relic is fully type-safe. Headers, cookies, and even context values are strongly typed. That means fewer bugs and a far better developer experience. You get compiler checks, better autocomplete, and no more guesswork. We've added type support for all standard HTTP headers, so you no longer deal with raw strings, but with typed objects. Routing is fast and expressive. Relic uses a tree-based router, so route matching is lightning quick even as your app grows. It can effortlessly handle thousands of routes. Path parameters are clearly defined and type-safe, making your handlers easier to write and safer to refactor. Static file handling is built in. You can serve assets with proper MIME types, cache headers, and e-tags. Relic also supports cache busting. In practice, this means that you have greater control over how files are cached in your user's browser and can easily invalidate updated files. And for real-time apps, WebSocket support is built in. You can upgrade an HTTP connection with a single call and start pushing data in seconds. No extra setup is required. More than nice-to-haves, these features are a leap forward in server development ergonomics. Relic is tested. It's secured by over 3,000 tests, 92% coverage, and a test suite that verifies everything from the headers to edge cases. It's also proven in production. Relic powers the full Serverpod framework and even our website, and is already used by thousands of apps in production. We already have about 40,000 monthly downloads. This isn't a beta, it's ready. And the developer experience. Hot reload just works, error messages that are actually helpful, and the documentation that is complete, easy to navigate, and full of examples. Isn't that fantastic? You can move fast, stay confident, and build great things. If you're using Shelf today, good news! Migrating to Relic is easy. You keep your service structure, but you get a cleaner API. We have tested migrations with AI tools such as anti-gravity, and in most cases, they can complete them in one shot. There's a complete migration guide with step-by-step instructions. You don't need to rewrite everything, just upgrade it. Relic 1.0 is up on pub.dev right now. Just run pub add relic and you are ready to go. Visit docs.artrelic.dev for examples, API references, and guides. And if you want to contribute or chat with other developers, join us on GitHub or Discord. Relic is fast, typed, and built for real-world production use. We can't wait to see what you will build with it.